Hey guys, welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, I want to talk about how to be writable with binary options and how you can earn money with binary options. Follow these simple steps that I'm gonna provide to you today. It's easy, simple, and you can earn money with a simple strategy for binary options. I have to mention this strategy is the best strategy for pocket options. It's the strategy that I create. I have indicator to using with this strategy, and I believe if you follow these simple steps, you can earn money and be writable in your trading sessions and respecting simple rules. You need to know when or where you need to stop it. If you have losses to 1 or 2 losses per day, you need to stop in that moment. And when, if you earning money, stop it. So I hope this video like it. I'm gonna leave it the instructions inside of this video of this trading session, and I really hope so this video like it. Just in one pair you can earn $1,000. Follow these simple steps. Let's roll with this video. Okay, guys, you see something amazing here. How to respect these indicators. You can have a writable trading session. Just follow the simple steps and respect the indicators that I provided you before. You see how to make the settings in the moment you start this video, how to configure the settings, this moving average, exponential moving average, and to get a better results. Follow the trend. You can have amazing results on your next trades. Trust me, if you follow this strategy step by step, just like I mentioned before, you can have you can be writable on your with binary options for the next months. Maybe this year can be your year and make it a good stuff with this turbo strategy for binary options and for pocket option. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next video.